So we have 3 new updates for the Galaxy S25 Ultra today, one of which indicates that the S25 Ultra's display and camera will be upgraded to the highest level. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 will have features and design upgrades based on the Galaxy XR. For those unfamiliar, the Galaxy XR is Samsung's take on Apple's Vision Pro, a mixed reality headset. Now that the Galaxy XR will be released around the same time as the S25 Ultra, it stands to reason that there may be some overlap. We're talking about possible design similarities, seamless connectivity between the two smartphones, and maybe even some shared capabilities like Samsung Continuity and Galaxy AI. It's intriguing that Samsung is pressing forward with the Galaxy XR, particularly as Apple is failing to sell the Vision Pro. If Samsung can price it substantially cheaper than the Vision Pro's $3,500, they may attract more customers. In any event, it will be fascinating to see whether Samsung can popularize this technology. Now, moving on. In their most recent earnings call, Samsung stated that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would include top-of-the-line display and camera enhancements. According to the press release, the display and camera will be upgraded to their best possible standards. We already know that the S25 Ultra will feature new camera sensors, including its upgraded 3x telephoto and ultra-wide cameras to 50MP resolution, as well as an improved version of the 200MP primary sensor. Samsung also said that they are trying to improve and provide new AI experiences with the S25 Ultra. They want to incorporate AI in several areas so that the S25 Ultra and other Samsung devices such as your fridge, oven, washing machine, and others may interact more effectively, resulting in a more seamless environment. The Geekbench scores for the S25 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor are 2,884 and 8840 for single and multi-core, respectively. When compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, these scores show a 35% increase in single-core performance and a 30% increase in multi-core performance. The single-core score of the S25 Ultra is comparable to that of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, while the multi-core score is around 22% higher. The S25 Ultra will feature a bespoke version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 with faster clock rates, therefore final scores should exceed this normal edition, maybe reaching the 9,000 mark in multi-core performance. While we don't yet have Geekbench scores for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, speculations indicate that it won't see a significant gain in CPU performance over the iPhone 15. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.